Welcome, beautiful people. I am chevb. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, we are about to do another wig installation and customization, and we'll be styling this unit from RPGHAIR.com. Now, the hair that I received is this 13x6 invisible HD and clean hairline wig, and I got it in 22 inches, and as you guys can see, it is silky straight. So this is how the clean invisible HD hairline is looking. You literally don't have to do anything with this wig. You don't have to pluck it, you don't have to bleach the knots. The wig is perfect straight out of the package. So what I'm gonna do is I want a more sleek back look. We want to make sure that the wig is flat, okay? We don't want them humps and grooves on the wig. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this wax stick, and what you want to do is you don't want to use too much wax stick, because I sometimes make the mistake of like putting too much and then the top of the hair look greasy. So you want to be mindful of how much you put on. You literally don't need a lot once you're using the hot comb. So it's just to help to get it super flat, but you don't need a lot. So I'm just going to take my hot comb and go over the parting. Make sure that my part is nice and flat, and I'm just going to lift up the corners to get a sleek back look. So a lot of times I want to try to just make my wig lay flat in the front so that I don't have to do like them big old baby hairs. So that's what I'm going for. So what I did, I used some heat protectant in the hair, because again, this is human hair, honey, 100% human hair, and I'm not trying to have it burnt and dried out and none of that. So you got to make sure that you do the proper measures to make sure that your hair lasts as long as possible. So this hair is 180% density because I want it to look more like a silk press. I wanted it to look as natural as possible. So 180% thickness was perfect for me. Now with straight hair and the shape of my face, I wanted to do a layered look. So I'm going to show you guys how I cut my layers. Now I'm not a perfectionist. Is that even how you say that? But it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not a professional. It doesn't have to. I just want to make sure that the wig shapes my face nicely. So I'm just going to do the layers to just give that early 2000 type of look, silk, fresh, perm, all that good stuff. Y'all know what I'm trying to go for. So I'm just going to continue to do that until I'm satisfied with the shaping in the front. Now once I get the shape how I like, I'm just going to take my flat iron and give it that black girl bump. That's what I call that. So we're just going to bump the front a little bit so that it curves inwards. And again, this is all to shape my face. Now for this look, y'all know I'm a lazy girl. We're not about to do the ball cap method, and my hair is looking like, girl, you need to wash this. So after this style, I'm about to wash my hair and redo these braids, okay? Because girl, them braids are tired. But again, this is a protective style. I don't feel like touching my hair, so I don't mind my hair being in braids for too long. Just put some oil on my scalp, put some put some leave-in conditioner on top, and that's it. So as I said, we're not doing the ball cap method. I just laid my edges back and then put on my little stocking cap to match my complexion as best as I can. And then because of how easy and effortless this wig is, you don't have to do much. Like look how natural that looks in the front. Once you pull it forward away from your edges, babes, this wig is laying. So I'm gonna show you guys how I install. Like most of my videos, I show you guys how I install. Sometimes I switch it up depending on the type of wig and how much work I actually put in. So the next step is to cut the lace on the side to make sure that it aligns properly with my hairline, and also that it fits around my ear if I want to push the hair back. So I cut there first to see how it's lining up, and once I'm satisfied, then I melt the lace. Now the next step is that a lot of times companies do a widow's peak with the wig. I don't have a widow's peak. I want the wig to match my natural hairline as best as possible, because that's what suits my face, right? If I was meant to have a widow's peak, I'd have a widow's peak, and I feel like it came down too far on my forehead, so I just cut off that extra hair in the front. Just be careful with that. You don't want to overcut and mess up your lace. Like that ain't never good. So once I'm satisfied with how it's looking, I'm just going to take this 𝐒𝐵IN lace spray and just spray it directly on the front as I said, lazy girl method. I'm doing this super fast because I want to slay this wig in 5 minutes if I could. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to use the tension method and use the elastic band that you can get at your local beauty supply store like I did, or you can get it on Amazon. And I'm just going to use the tension method to melt the lace onto my skin. And then while that's drying, I just take my flat iron and just touch up where it needs to be touched up with this wig. Now this is how the hair is looking on the ends. Like, guys, this hair is so beautiful in person. Like, I am super impressed. Now right here is an option. Okay, this next step is an option. You know, I like the swoop. As much as I say, yeah, I'm gonna try to just wear the hair slick back, don't do them baby hairs or the edges in the front. Like, you like what you like, and everybody got their own preference. And I like the swoops in the front, so I created my little swoops by cutting just a little piece in the front, and then take a flat iron, a very small flat iron, and curl it upwards, then do the spray on top. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of my contouring powder on the lace, and I'm going to take my fingers and rub that in. So basically I'm trying to make sure that it matches my scalp and everything blends nicely together. And this is a completed look. Let me know what you guys think. The details for this unit will be in the description box. All the details you'll need will be there. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and TikTok at @damthatschev. And I'll see y'all beautiful people in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.